say.
This is why I walk and talk this way.
The system will defeat itself. Nothing stays in a steady state. It overheats and melts. It only feeds itself. The system, yo, I think it exists just because, like a pit eats his pups, eats his own litter up. The system's fucked. It's corrupt. It's for his own survival. It's genocidal. No place of origin. No beginning cycle. Let's occupy all streets. It's crazy to think. In the 80s, I wanted minks. In the Benz to listen to Michael and Grand Pooba Maxwell and get cash while I'm sipping on drinks and Nike sweatsuits and Gucci links. I'm like a Russian mob figure. I'm mad low. In the shadows, pick up the shadow. DJ Shadow arose to throw blows. Can't see me, but Nas moving the fastest. I'm a 3D movie, no need of glasses. I'm a 3D movie, no need of glasses. Hold your breath for 15 seconds. Close your eyes, cover your ears, do not listen. Try to feel what I'm saying. To make you feel is my new expression. Hold your breath for 15 seconds. Close your eyes, cover your ears, do not listen. Try to feel what I'm saying. To make you feel is my new expression. Systematic. Systematic. wish I was an arms dealer to sell legal arms in the hood. No backup check, put cash in my palms and we good. Lack of respect, get you to fall where you stood. Mathematics is God language, it's in my blood. Art, music, letters and numbers. I'm a vessel, I'm humble. Meeting startups, I invest if I want to. Transforming global markets with all of my partners. Methodical corporate culture straight out the projects. What's the ingredients to the realest? Place 2 cups of cranberry in the skillet, a half a cup of water, add some Henny. Let it cook for 8 minutes, but you ain't finished. Let it simmer to the cranberry, pop a little. Keep stirring, sipping is art like Keith Haring. It gets in your blood, you start to feel what I'm feeling. Don't listen, just try to feel what I'm feeling. Hold your breath for 15 seconds. Close your eyes, cover your ears, do not listen. Try to feel what I'm saying. To make you feel is my new expression. Hold your breath for 15 seconds. Close your eyes, cover your ears, do not listen. Try to feel what I'm saying. To make you feel is my new expression. Systematic. Systematic.
Manchester, how are y'all feeling, man? Y'all feel alright? Yo, put a hand in there if you like rap music, man. Put a hand in there if you like rap music. Brand new one here featuring my man Danny Brown. It's called Horror Show. Check it out. Manchester, you sound great. Thank you.
ghetto slang and stimulation of the mind. Life is a labyrinth of dollars and cents as I quest for cream. Through the steam so dense from the sense of me a puff, cause the tunnel is tough. Some lick shots for sound, some of us from the cannon. Experts, original man will examine. I am in fact lacking confusion as to what's real and what's illusion. I come from Philadelphia, health you never take for granted. It's hot as the equator.
This is just one I made back in the year 1995 for you.
In demanding your soul, who control the eight immortals but the number seven in this continual maze where nights fight with days. Within my mind never wine blaze, and some say I should change my ways, but it's hard to hear the phrase through the havoc and haze. Thoughts down will ever never cease to accelerate. It's the great lab dweller. The mentals of the roots are beyond any computer. The judge, prosecutor, or the drug distributor. Respect to the ex-Lex Luger. My nigga Malik be the intruder. Phil Fifth Dynasty's the future, and DJ Shadow is the producer. You're dealing with the ginseng roots. We get your renaissance looser. Remember me, the thought I represent essentially and mentally. Eventually you mention me as most high. My decibels are most fly. I come to paint your thoughts black.
Yo, Shadow.
Where's that?
The Mad Dino with some Bambino, the Gambino, bigger than Jim Colosimo. My reservoir doors to Tarantino, scales for Venezuela, Barricino, making the block out of the jalapeno. G. Luciano, be wet like Pesci and Casino. $50 cigars here, for bars near the mafia. Don Paul